Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Harold coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Thursday, February 20th, 2020. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 22 degrees with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks lost last night against the Rangers with a score of 2-6. Today's announcements are: today's Pizza Thursday. Come down at lunch for a slice for only $2. Clubs meeting today are 6th grade band and orchestra buddies will meet at 11:15 in room 208. Root Goldberg will be at 11:15 in room 212. Multiplications Masters will meet from 3 to 4 in room 120. Partners Club will meet from 3 to 4 in the LRC. Rocketry Club will meet from 3 to 4 in room 208. And now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum.
Good morning, Hoover Hawks. I am so happy to see you again today. We have some champions here who can tell us about what they've been learning in Mrs. Palella's kindergarten classroom. Hi, welcome. Who's going to start?
Aiden.
All right, Aiden, let's hear what you've been learning about.
We are learning and practicing how to count to 100.
Whoa, all the way to 100. Amazing. Thanks, Aiden. What else have you been learning about?
We are learning about write about our opinion.
Whoa, you can write about your opinions? Wonderful. All right, and tell us one more thing.
We are reading informational books.
And you're reading informational books. Can you tell me something you've read about?
George Washington.
Whoa, you learned about George Washington. Wonderful. Oh my gosh, thank you for telling us about what you've been doing in kindergarten. All right, boys and girls, the other champions I'd like to highlight are, again, all of our students who did such a wonderful job welcoming our engineers yesterday. I hope that gave you some great ideas of what potential careers you might want to have in the future by hearing about the fascinating things that they do each day. I also was really impressed by our engineers. Hold on one sec, okay. By our engineers because they came so well prepared. Did you notice? They really had great things that they wanted to share. Some of them even brought samples and activities for you. So a huge thank you to all of our engineers too. All right, Hoover, let's be champions together.
Thank you, Mrs. Rosenblum. This week's pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by Room 102. Have a cute Pizza Thursday.